Good morning. I just met with a couple of our new students. They're probably not new to you. They were in your class this semester. And we just had a discussion. And so I wanted to make a short video for those who could not attend that meeting. My name is Miss Wise, and I've been teaching for 23 years. And I've been married to my husband for 30 years, 31 years in February. I have four daughters, Brienne, Kirsten, Sierra, and Seta E. And my favorite part of life is being a grandmother. I have seven grandkids, two princesses and five princes. And I just found out this week that I'm expecting another grandbaby. And I have my fingers crossed for a princess because my princes are outweighing my princesses. Not that I mind, but yeah. This is me without the mask on. I love hiking and riding bikes and swimming and snorkeling and doing puzzles and playing games. Most of all, I love to spend time with my grandkids. My favorite color is turquoise purple. And this picture reminds me of my favorite colors. And so this is just another brief synopsis about me, Miss Wise. This is my two granddaughters. And then this is my daughter, Seta E., and her boys, Elijah and Caden, and her husband, Angel. This is my four girls, Brienne, Sierra, Kirsten, and Seta E. This is my newest grandson. His name is Mikael. And then this is Luce and Giovanni, my other two grandsons. Oh, I've got to go back. And this is the king of my abode, my wonderful husband, Brian. And then this is just a few pictures of things that I like to do. Some books that I love. I love Ferdinand the Bull. If you have not read that book, you need to go read the book. I know I've seen the movie. The movie is wonderful, but the book is so much better. My favorite elementary book is Dr. Seuss, Oh, the Places You Will Go. I love the Harry Potter series and these books over here. I love those types of books too. So our daily schedule may change. You can look on the screen and see what it is. I may move our schedule around to where all of our live meets and our Google Meets are in the morning before lunch or by lunchtime. And that way you're not having to get on and off. But right now, this is our tentative schedule for our daily class. Also on that schedule, if you are in Trek and have just moved into our class, you will have small group on Tuesdays and Thursdays. When you come back on January 6th, I will let you know what group you are in and whether it's Monday, Wednesday, or Tuesday, Thursday. Small groups are a must for you to attend. Whole groups are an optional option. However, if it was me, I would make sure that my child was at both. If they had small groups on Monday, Wednesday, or Tuesday, Thursday, I would make sure that they were at that small group day. And I would make sure that they were in all of the whole group math and literacy times, because we talk about things in math whole group or in math and literacy whole groups that may help them in areas that they're struggling. So just a thought. Math and literacy, I use the same curriculum that Ms. Brooks used. Science and social studies is embedded into our literacy curriculum. Behaviors, I expect you to be on time to class, to our Google Meets. Come with your mic muted and your cameras on. If your camera is not on, or if you are constantly unmuting your mic and talking and not raising your hand and waiting for me to call on you, I will boot you out of class for that day. So please don't do that. I've not had to boot anyone out yet, just so you know. So be on time. If you use headphones, sometimes it interferes, so you may or may not be able to use them. It just depends on technology for that day, to be honest. Participation, I love to have participation. Be sure to get familiar with Google Meet, and at the bottom, the little hand raised to raise your hand to let me know that you have a question. Behavior and consequences. The first semester, I've not had any behavior or issues with students. And so I've not had to use the PBIS system. But if it turns out that I do need to try to use the PBIS system to bring someone's behavior under control, then I will. But we will see. I don't anticipate having to use it. Communication. Email is a great way to communicate with me. For parents, for students, email. And I have GoGuardian up all day, every day. You will be able to message me through the chat box, or you can send me an email, and I will usually answer right away. Technology, I am pretty good with technology. I usually can walk you through what you might have trouble with, but not all the time. And or I can remote into your computer and try to fix an issue. But if it's something that I feel like I cannot do, then I'll refer you to the technology help desk, and they can help you. My contact information, mwise@bentonvillek12.org. And then my phone number directly into my classroom is 479-418-7300, extension 7298. And then that link down at the bottom is just a link to my district website. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I probably will not be answering emails over Christmas break. I'm going to try to disconnect and just enjoy family and relax, and come back on January 6th, hitting it strong. So have a wonderful break. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email.